everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Rama Verma. So today I am going to talk about what is quantitative research. So in simple words, whenever we want to quantify anything, we want to find out through some kind of calculation, we are using quantitative research. So it is a systematic method of collecting and analyzing numerical data to identify several patterns, test hypotheses, and make certain prediction using statistical techniques. Now there can be several questions like how many, or how much, or how often, to what extent. The answer to all these questions is quantitative research. Now let us first understand what are the key features of quantitative research. Number one is structured approach. Whenever we are using a quantitative research, we have to follow a structured approach. Yes, we are using survey method. We are using some kind of experiments if it is a scientific study, or we are using questionnaire, or some kind of statistical data. Number two is numerical data. It has a numerical data every time. Information is collected in the form of numbers. Number three is statistical analysis. So the data is analyzed using certain mathematical tools. Number fourth, objectives. Yes, your research study should have an objective. Every research has an objective. So this objective should focus on the facts, measurable outcomes, and unbiased result. So that is very important whenever you are using the quantitative research. And next is large samples. Yes, you should focus on the large population for the generalization. Now let me relate with an example with your tourism or hospitality industry. Say for example, a question comes in your mind, or if your research is related to, does service quality affect the tourist satisfaction in the hotel? So for this, you can use a questionnaire, distribute them among, say for example, 200 participants. Now with that, ask them to rate from 1 to 5. You can use a closed-ended question or Likert scale questionnaire, and based on the results you can find out the average, or you can use the regression analysis. Right at the end you will get some results. Right, you are using statistics to determine whether in simple words, there is a significant relationship between the variables or not. Likewise, so this is a short explanation about the quantitative research. My next video would be about the qualitative research. So keep listening and never forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.